Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and navigating to the correct sheet. Click the header cell that contains the column title you want to change. Once selected, check if the cell is merged or locked, because merged cells or protected sheets prevent edits. If protected, unprotect the sheet via Review Right Arrow Unprotect Sheet. If merged, unmerge first. You do this now so edits are applied cleanly. This prevents confusing alignment or data shift later when you rename the column. Now enter edit mode by double-clicking the cell, pressing F2, or simply typing the new text. Choose the method you prefer. You should keep headings short and descriptive so filters and tables read them properly. After changing text, format the cell. Set font size, bold, wrap text, or center alignment so the heading fits and remains readable. Once done, press Enter to commit changes. Make sure column width accommodates the new text, or set Auto Fit to avoid truncation. Finish by confirming the change in context. If the range is a table, edit the header directly or toggle header row on table design so Excel updates references. Next, search for filters, formulas, or named ranges that reference the old heading and update them to prevent broken links. If your edit won't apply, make sure the sheet isn't protected, the cell isn't merged, and there's no data validation blocking edits. One tip: use undo if something shifts unexpectedly, then correct the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.